In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. First of all, if you have suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard, you can launch it right away and tap on this gear at the top of it. Then select text correction, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. If you don't have it enabled though, you can always go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and hit System. Then select On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, and Text Correction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!